This is a final video to fix Garmin Connect app full compatibility and features issues on GrapheneOS smartwatches. And if you're struggling with the app not syncing or missing key functions, you are not alone. Many users face this problem because GrapheneOS has strict security and app restrictions that can block certain functions in Garmin Connect, make it act strangely, or fail to show all features. Most guides online are long, confusing, or only work for some devices, leaving you frustrated and wasting time. On Rexish, we have tested and confirmed 4 proven methods that fix this problem, and at least one will work for you, even if your smartwatch has critical restrictions. Pause the video now and try each method one by one, or take screenshots so you can follow along without losing your place. Remember, don't worry about what the methods are yet. Just focus on testing them step by step. Follow the methods shown on the screen exactly, and you will get Garmin Connect fully working with all features on your GrapheneOS smartwatch.